Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Today this is one of many days I've been going around capturing time lapses. Got the rig set up right there, and it's capturing a time lapse of the smaller peak up there, or the biggest one in the area, but you get the point. This video will probably be up, I don't know, a couple of weeks. I have a part coming in that's it's like an electric spinning motor. I don't know quite the name of it. If I find out, I'll link it on the screen right here. I'll display it right there. Got it cheap on Amazon, and it's supposed to do I think up to 350 some pictures in a rotation as it's doing a time lapse. So I'm going back home this weekend, first time home since the quarantine, and keeping the distance with the family as we all play it safe. I'll be getting some Nebraska time lapses as well. Like I said, that video will be up in about a week, 2 weeks maybe, after I capture all the time lapses I want. There's going to be a series of a few shot in the city, mostly out here in the nature, and then a lot of night shots. I've been going out about between like 8 and 10 o'clock at night and getting some good ones. I'm hoping tonight that the weather holds for a little bit. Looks like it's going to rain, but I want it to hold so I can get some night shots around here where the light pollution isn't at. I was thinking about just kind of hanging out here until dark, but that's a long way away yet, so I don't know if I'll make it that far. But you can hear the rig going off every 10 seconds. You'll hear the beep beep and then the shutter. There it is. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna do some drone shots around here, and that'll be it for this episode. The episode of the time lapse will be straight up time lapse. I won't talk. It'll just be the straight up montage of all the different time lapses. So hope you all see that when it comes out. I'll be putting it all over social media like I always do. My videos don't get viewed a whole lot, but it's all right. I'm glad there is a few people out there that do view them and do enjoy them. Keep them coming just for that reason. Someday one's gonna hit that hot viral spiral, and it's gonna go big and people are gonna like it. They better. If not,